In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to run a flash sale on your Shopify store. The initial step for setting up a flash sale on Shopify involves accessing your administrative dashboard. Therefore, start by logging into your Shopify admin console, as this is where all your store operations are managed. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of the dashboard and seek out the Products tab, right under the Orders tab. When you have found the Products button, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, from which you are to select Collections, which is typically the second option. As you open the Collections page, locate the Create Collection button. This button is usually found on the top right corner of the page, and by clicking it, Shopify allows us to create a fresh new collection, this time exclusively for the upcoming flash sale. Now, Shopify will present you with a Create Collection page. Two primary pieces of information you need to provide here are the title and the description of your flash sale. Both these fields will appear at the top for you to enter relevant details. Following this, scroll down to the Collection Type section. In the Collection Type section, you'll find a couple of options awaiting your selection. In this case, since you want to manually handpick the items for the flash sale, click on the Manual option. Next, move downwards to the Products section of the page, the place where you can search for and select the items you have decided to put up on sale. After making your selections, remember to click both the Add button and then the Save button to successfully add these products to the flash sale collection. At this point, we have to move away from collections and transition to discounts. To do this, locate the Discounts tab in the left-hand navigation panel and click on it, followed by the Create Discount button you'll observe on the resulting page. You are now presented with an array of discount types. For your flash sale, select the option Amount Off Products from the drop-down menu. Proceeding forward in this process, under the Methods section, go ahead and select Automatic Discount. Automatic discounts apply to any qualifying items in the shopping cart, making running your flash sale a breeze. In the next step, specify more about your discount. Enter a suitable title for it. Set the percentage value indicating how much the discount should be, and then make sure to select specific collections. From the resulting list of your collections, select the flash sale collection we made at the beginning. Following this, Shopify allows you to set a timer for your flash sale. You can decide when the sale starts and when the sale ends by setting it up in the Starts On and Ends On fields. Lastly, after confirming all discount and collection details, click Save. Congratulations, your flash sale is now ready to be deployed and bring you plentiful conversions and sales.